Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to perspective or text in Photopea. Let's begin. I already typed this text. Transform control, hold shift, then go to edit tab, transform and do not show perspective. Simply click text layer, right click on your mouse, rasterize. Then again go to edit tab, transform, then show perspective. Or hold control, customs, hold control, customs manually. Secondly, again go to edit tab, transform, use perspective warp, or distort or direct warp. Click, right click, distort. Again click, right click, skew. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.